Once again, welcome to Rise and Capitalize. Ever feel like your allowance or birthday money just, poof, vanishes into thin air? But what if I told you there's one super simple secret to filling that piggy bank and building real wealth? You're not alone. Lots of people struggle to save, even adults. It's like their money has a secret escape route. Fix your spending habits now. Get ready to become a money superhero. Stick around, because today, we're going to dive into the magical world of money and uncover the biggest truth about saving. Struggling to save. Like that extra candy bar, a cool but unnecessary toy, or that shiny game you played for 5 minutes and forgot about. They seem small, but they add up. Section 1. The Money Munchers. Alright, first things first. Where does your money usually disappear? Is it snacks? It's online games? Little doodads? Try to remember every time you spend money for a week. It's like being a detective for your own cash. To fix a problem, you have to know what the problem is. You can't cut out all wants, and that's okay. But learning to choose wisely is key. Before you buy something, ask yourself, is this a need or is it a want? And when it comes to saving money, the big problem is often our money munchers. She saves the money from the sparkly pen. She'll be closer to her goal of buying a new book she really wants. It's not about never buying anything fun, but about making smart choices so your money works for you, not against you. Smart penny. Like that new video game, a fancy pair of shoes, or an extra-large sugary drink, they're fun, but not essential. It's like telling your money, hey, you're going to go here for fun, here for saving, and here for my needs. Now for the ultimate power-up, the spending plan. Don't worry, it's not a complicated grown-up thing. Think of it like a treasure map for your money. If you keep taking small little bites all day, soon there's no cake left for a big, happy celebration. Those bites are your money munchers. This is huge, friends. These aren't real monsters, of course. Money munchers are just those little things we buy without really thinking. Think food, water, a safe place to live, clothes that keep you warm. He decides to put $5 in his save bucket for a new skateboard, $3 in his spend bucket for a comic book, and $2 in his share bucket for animal shelter donations. Think of your money like a delicious cake. So, the first step to fixing your spending habits is to spot your money munchers. What do you really want to buy or do? A new video game system? A special trip? Even just a little bit into save makes a big difference over time. This plan helps you control your money munchers because you've already decided what your money's job is. And every choice, big or small, adds up. Every time you say no to a money muncher and stick to your spending plan, you earn points towards your big goal. The more points you get, the faster you reach your prize. When you have a goal, those little money munchers don't look so tempting anymore. Why spend $5 on a soda when that $5 can get you closer to your super cool skateboard? Section 2. Wants versus needs. The superpowered choice. The important thing is to learn from it and try again. You have the power to control your money, not the other way around. Becoming a money master is a journey, not a race. For that big toy, a new bike, or even for college later on, make this bucket a priority. Don't you know your money munchers? You've unlocked a financial superpower. The ability to tell the difference between wants and needs. And share this video with anyone who needs a money superpower. A need is something you absolutely must have to live or be healthy. A want is something you'd like to have, but you don't need it to survive. With these simple steps, you can save for anything you dream of and build a super strong financial future. Here's a little secret. Money munchers usually hide in the wants pile. Let's look at an example. Meet Penny the penguin. Penny wants a super cool, sparkly pen. She already has 5 perfectly good pens at home. Is the sparkly pen a need or a want? It's a want. Penny decides to think about it. This choice between a want and saving for a bigger goal is how you fix your spending habits. Section 3. The Spending Plan Power-Up. So, you know your money munchers, and you can tell a want from a need. A spending plan simply means you decide beforehand where your money is going to go. Here's a simple way to make your own spending plan. The save, spend, share buckets. Save. This is money for your future self. Spend this as your fun money, for those wants you do decide to buy, like a movie ticket or a small treat. Share this as money to help others, like donating to a charity or buying a gift for a friend. It feels good to share. Every time you get money, decide how much goes into each bucket. Let's see how our friend Rocky the raccoon uses a spending plan. Rocky gets $10 from helping his neighbor. Instead of instantly buying a giant bag of chips, a money muncher, see, Rocky didn't stop spending entirely, but he made smart choices before the money munchers could sneak in. This is fixing your spending habits. Section 4. The power of patience and goals. Fixing your spending habits isn't just about stopping bad choices. It's about making better choices so you can reach your dreams. These are your financial goals. Having goals makes saving so much easier. It's like playing a game. Remember struggling to save? Fix your spending habits now. It's not magic. It's just making smart choices with your money every single day. Don't get discouraged if you slip up. Everyone does. Conclusion. Wow, what an adventure. We learned so much today. Let's quickly recap our money-saving superpowers. Spot your money munchers. Know what you're spending on without thinking. Understand wants versus needs. Make smart choices about what's important. Make a spending plan. Decide where your money goes with. Save, spend, share. And remember the ultimate truth. Struggling to save? Fix your spending habits now. You are now on your way to becoming a financial superhero. If this video helped you understand money better, give it a big thumbs up. And for more easy-to-understand money secrets, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out. What's your biggest money muncher? Tell us in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Till next time, keep those piggy banks growing.